Hello everyone! Long time no review, long time no see. Namiss ko kayo, namiss ko to. And kung mapapansin nyo sa boses ko, pati sa itsura ko, yes, may sakit na naman po ako. What's new? But yeah, I hope kayanin kong matapos tong video na to because this video is about the new launches of Get Ready With Me. Nalaglag ko lahat. Oh my gosh, wait lang. And what's new, lagi ko namang nalalaglag lahat. Buti na lang walang babasagin dito, guys. So, medyo nagulo-gulo lang siya dahil nga nalaglag ko. But I think at this point, nakita nyo na naman din sa social media pages ng Get Ready With Me na nag-release sila ng 3 different lip products. So, they release lip oils. Meron na rin silang lip pencils, which I'm most excited about, which they call lip contour. And they have yung kanilang tinted lip glaze, which is a lip tint. So, syempre lahat yan, swatch natin today and I will also give you guys my first impressions. Mag-start muna tayo sa pinakamadaling burahin dahil feeling ko pag yung lip tint yung inuna ko, baka magtagal tayo sa kakabura each shade. So, this is the Get Ready With Me High Beam High Shine Lip Oil. So, they release a total of 8 different shades. Actually, isa dito clear lang talaga, which I like kasi usually pag lip oil, suso ko talaga clear. And sabi ni Get Ready With Me, this is high shine, this is moisturizing, hydrating, enriched with 20% jojoba oil and 15% shea butter. Sabi nila, this can help hydrate and moisturize the lips. Its lightweight formula gives you the high shine finish of a lip gloss and lip comfort of a lip oil. So this is how the packaging looks like. Ganito yung applicator niya. Wow, jumbo. Ang jumbo nung doe foot niya na I hope madali lang siyang gamitin on the lips. Okay, so iswatch muna natin lahat ng shades and I will give you guys my first impressions after. Okay, binalik ko si shade na Charlie Cherry because this is one of my favorite shades or isa sa mga shades na nag-stand out sa mga sinwatch natin. Okay, so unang-una, very minimal lang naman to. Sa packaging, kita na kagad yung mga fingerprints ko here since glossy finish siya. So, medyo nakakausi lang. I'm sure hindi lang naman ako inausi sa ganyan. Madali namang punasan. And second, ang napansin ko lang, kapag tinanggal ko na yung doe foot or yung applicator, since malaki yung pinaka-doe foot, ayun, nagre-resist siya and at the same time, laging merong kumakalat na product, tumatalsik either dito sa neck nung mismong packaging and may one time na tumalsik dito sa area kung nasan ako. But very minimal lang naman, although yun nga lang, hindi ganun ka-secured yung packaging niya. So, medyo ingat kapag inaangat niyo yung applicator para hindi tumalsik sa damit nyo or sa kung saan man. And by the way, when it comes to the smell, wala siyang any fragrance. At the same time, wala rin siyang any foul na smell. So, wala kayong maamoy sa kanya. And when it comes to sa claims nila, nasabi nila, this is lightweight. I unfortunately disagree kasi feel ko talaga yung weight niya. And may ramdam ko na meron talaga akong something on my lips, which I have to be honest, meron ako mga lip oils na na-try na mas lightweight talaga than this one. Ito talagang feel mo na meron kang something. To the point na for me, para na rin siyang lip gloss. Kasi kapag ina-apply ko rin siya on my lips, may mga shades na kailangan ko talagang i-spread ng maayos para magmukha siyang even on my lips. So for me, para siyang more of a lip gloss than a lip oil. Ang Ang maganda rin sa kanya, since thick yung formula, it's really moisturizing on the lips. I'm sure ito yung lip oil na hindi ka mabibitin sa moisturization on your lips kasi talagang sobrang moisturized ng lips ko ngayon kahit nakailang swatches na ako. So kung hindi kayo masyadong bothered when it comes to the weight and the thick formula and you're more after the moisturization factor, this is the lip oil for you. So yung mga favorite shades ko are si Jellyfish. Ito yung feeling ko pinakamagagamit ko lagi. Itong clear nila na shade. I also like Baby Girl, which is a cool nude. I also like Coral kasi nag-show talaga siya sa lips ko. Yung ibang shades kasi parang medyo mukhang similar na on my lips. And lastly, of course, si Charlie Cherry. Next products from Get Ready With Me are what I'm most excited about. These are their lip pouts or yung kanilang lip pencils, and they have a total of 12 shades. This is a retractable gel lip liner. It is creamy, smudge resistant, long-lasting, and nasa airtight component siya. So this is how the packaging looks like. Tapos in fairness, iba-iba talaga yung shade nung dulo dito based on the shade itself. This is how the tip looks like. And meron siyang pangtasa sa ilalim. So this is a precision gel lip liner daw that is creamy, buildable, and smudge resistant that you can use to outline and contour the lips. So mga 12 shades to guys. Swatch natin lahat and then I will give you guys my first impressions after. Oh my God, shook ako. Ang hirap niyang tanggalin mga sis, as in. Grabe guys, akala ko mapupunit na yung labi ko. Sa dami ng sinwatch natin so far, from the lip oil up to the 12 lip liners na sobrang hirap tanggalin. But that's a good sign guys, na talagang magtatagal yung lip liner sa lips mo kasi talagang kapit na kapit siya. Tapos tinry kong tanggalin siya ng regular wipes lang, yung Sanicare na wipes. Hindi talaga siya obra sis. Mapa dito sa kamay ko, pati yung swatch sa lips ko. As in, nagtatag na yung buong labi ko dun sa wipes, hindi pa rin natatanggal yung lip liner. So that's a good sign. So kailangan ko talaga gumamit ng as in makeup remover wipes na talagang meron siyang oil para talagang matanggal siya. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-reapply kasi yung mga lip liners na meron ako ngayon, glidey sila, hindi sila thick tingnan sa lips but madali silang matanggal. So this one, I think it will be long lasting talaga. The shades are really nice. Ang wide ng selection. Merong fair share of cool, warm, brown, and merong isang red. But meron lang ako request na sana magkaroon pa ng mas nude or mas light or mas pale na version ni Summer Eloise. Kasi, I think si Callie, which nakalagay dito cool nude, tapos cool nude din si Bear. Parang yun na yung pinaka-light nila na pink. Yung favorites ko are si Felt Cute, si Bear. I also like Holla. Love Bug is also good. Summer Eloise. And of course, itong si New Classic. Kasi red lip liners makes red lipsticks apply so much easier. And ang ganda nito guys. Sobrang perfect pair sila ni main character dun sa lip speak nila. Yun nga lang, one thing I noticed is that dapat well moisturized yung lips nyo before applying this lip liner. Kasi kung meron kayong mga dry patches or dry areas dun sa edge ng lips nyo wherein dun nyo i-apply yung lip liner, pwede nyo ma-emphasize yung dryness. Kasi nga, ganun siya kakapit sa lips. So, make sure na well moisturized and nakapag-exfoliate kayo well ng lips nyo before applying this. But overall, I love this product. It's creamy, it's buildable, and hindi talaga siya nagsasmudge. So far, okay siya sa akin. Okay, kinausap ko yung lips ko na konting pasensya pa dahil meron pa tayong isang itatry and ito yung feeling ko pinakamahirap tanggalin. So these are the Get Ready With Me Tinted Lip Glaze and these are glossy lip tints. This is how the packaging looks like. So dito sa area na to, doon mo makikita kung ano yung shade. This is how the applicator looks like. Maliit lang siya na doe foot. So hindi siya yung mostly clear na packaging unlike doon sa lip oil. Although, parang mas bet ko yung packaging ng lip oil compared to this one. But this is unique. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong packaging when it comes to lip tints. Medyo malaki nga lang siya compared to usual lip tints. So this has a glossy finish. This has heavy stain. And lightweight daw to. So they have a total of 7 shades. So let us start with a swatch. And good luck sa akin. Guys, nag-relieve nga talaga siya ng stain as in, hindi ko na siya matanggal. Tatawa ko sa itsura ng lips ko now. Honestly guys, ang sakit na ng lips ko, kakabura ko as in yung friction ng wipes. For how many times? As in, hindi ko na mabilang ilang beses ako nagtanggal ng lipstick dito sa swatch video natin. But ang hirap talagang tanggalin ng lip tint. As in, the more na tinatanggal mo siya, parang mas kumakapit pa siya sa lips mo. Which is again, a good thing. Mahirap lang talaga siya when it comes to swatch videos like this. But hindi naman tayo nagsaswatch every day, diba? So, when it comes to daily application, application, of course, that stain is a really good thing kasi it means it will really last on your lips. As in, heavy stain talaga siya according to their claims. I have to agree with that. It has a glossy finish na very natural, which I like. Hindi rin siya yung tipong kapag gumanon ka, yung parang nagtatog or malagkit sa feeling. Isa yun sa mga ayoko when it comes to glossy tints. This one is lightweight. It's even more lightweight than the lip oil. And I like na manipis lang siya kahit glossy tint siya. Kasi usually na mga natatry ko na glossy tint, may weight talaga siya sa lips. Tapos kapag nag-move na yung tint or yung glossy tint sa lips, nag-move din yung pigment. This one talagang nandun lang siya. As in guys, kapit na kapit siya sa lips. This is one of the hardest to remove na lip tint na na-swatch ko ever. So for me, panalo yung formulation nito. Ang gaganda rin ng shades. Kung tatanungin niyo ako kung ano yung mga favorite shades ko, I like Poncan and 24/7. Yun yung top 2 ko. Siguro runner-up si 90s Brown and si Not Basic. But lahat naman ng shades wearable. I just hope na mas sleek or mas maliit ng konti yung packaging niya kasi this is bigger than regular size na mga tints. But overall, I like this product. Ang ganda ng formula, ang ganda ng mga shades, ang ganda niyang tignan sa lips, and it stains heavily. So lahat yon check sa akin when it comes to lip tints, and this is only 299 pesos and marami na siyang laman. So out of all these 3 different lip products na nilaunch to Get Ready With Me, honestly, ang least favorite ko is the lip oil. Siguro iba lang yung needs ko and preference ko when it comes to lip oil, but it's not a bad product, don't get me wrong. Yun nga lang, personally, medyo nakakapalan ako sa formula niya, and it's not the most lightweight lip oil for me. It can pass as a lip gloss in my opinion, pero magagamit ko pa rin siya. This is something that I can use on its own or as a topper sa mga lipstick or even this lip tint. Itong dalawang products na to ay nag-stand out sa akin dito sa launch na to. The lip liner is long-lasting, it's smooth. I think ito yung pinakamaraming choices natin in terms of shades when it comes to lip liners. And again, I love the formulation of this tinted lip glaze, as you can see. So that's it for today's first impression sa new launches ng Get Ready With Me. I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo guys. Let me know if you have another video suggestions. Just let me know in the comment section or kung meron kayong tanong sa mga products na tinry natin today. Let me know also ano yung mga napusuan yung shades, formula, and kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. Stay safe and stay healthy guys, and I will see you on my next videos. Bye-bye!